Hey, Mighty Possum here. Check out this video. If you ever spilled something on your billiards table, you need a way to remove it. Here's a pretty quick, easy way. Let it dry overnight. Clean it up with a shop towel. No problem. That was removal of a beverage from a billiards table. Accidentally spilled. Somebody set a drink on the edge of the table. No moisture, liquid, or anything was used to remove it. Just a dry shop towel and letting the beverage dry overnight and gentle rubbing so as not to mat up the pool table felt surface.